In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Elementor from WordPress. If you've been experimenting with page builders and you're ready to move on, uninstalling Elementor is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it step by step, explain what each action does, and share a few tips to keep things smooth and predictable. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard with an account that has administrator access. From the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click Installed Plugins. This page lists every plugin currently available on your site, whether it's active or not. Next, find Elementor in the list. If you have many plugins installed, use the search box in the top right corner of the Plugins page and type Elementor to filter quickly. You might also see a related entry like a Pro add-on. The process you're about to see is the same for each one. Before you can remove Elementor, you need to turn it off. Click Deactivate under the Elementor plugin name. Deactivation immediately stops the plugin from running, but it doesn't remove its files from your server. This is a safe way to see how your site behaves without Elementor. After deactivating, some pages that were built with Elementor may look different or lose certain layouts. That's normal because the builder is no longer powering those designs. Once you've confirmed it's deactivated, you'll now see a delete link appear under the plugin name. Click Delete. WordPress will ask you to confirm, since this action removes the plugin's files from your site. Go ahead and confirm. The deletion process typically takes a moment, and when it's done, Elementor will no longer be listed among your installed plugins. A quick note on what this means. Deleting the plugin removes its program files. In most cases, your content remains in the database, though design-specific settings or templates tied to Elementor won't function without the plugin. If you were using Elementor Pro in addition to the free version, repeat the same steps for that entry as well, so both components are fully removed. After uninstalling, it's a good idea to review a few key pages on your site to make sure everything appears as expected. If you use a caching plugin or a content delivery network, clearing your cache can help reflect changes right away. And if you don't see a delete option, double-check that the plugin is deactivated first. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Elementor from WordPress. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to continue refining your site with the tools that fit your workflow best.